Sarasota County Sheriff Tom Knight announced today his deputies are the first in the state to carry an overdose anti-drug to save lives. SNN's Allison Hennig joins us live in the newsroom with more on the story and the new technology involved. Allison?
Yes, John, this technology is the first and only FDA-approved product of its kind, and the implementation of it by law enforcement is made possible by a bill passed by Governor Rick Scott in June of this year. Sarasota County Sheriff's deputies will be the first law enforcement officials in Florida to carry and administer the drug overdose antagonist called naloxone. 400 FZO naloxone auto-injectors, a total of 800 doses, were donated to the Sheriff's Office. This is all made possible by State Representative Julio Gonzalez, who sponsored the Emergency Treatment and Recovery Act signed by Governor Rick Scott this summer. The bill authorizes emergency responders to possess, store, and administer emergency opioid antagonists. Over the past 3 months, sheriff's deputies responded to 55 opiate overdoses. 5 of them were deaths. Sheriff Tom Knight says SSO is taking a multi-pronged approach at handling the ongoing epidemic.
We're hoping that we don't have to use them, but certainly if we get to an overdose and we need it, we'll have it available to us to use and hopefully make people's lives better.
This auto-injector makes it easy for anyone to administer naloxone to an individual who they believe is experiencing an opioid overdose by giving step-by-step voice instructions.
Pull off red safety guard.
Lisa Brandy lost her child from an overdose and says it's groundbreaking to see SSO step forward and say every life matters.
From all the parents out there that know and live in fear when their young person who is struggling with addiction is out there and they don't know where they are, that a first responder could be called and save their beloved's life. There are no words to say how important that is to our community.
Officials stress the importance of calling 911 as soon as possible to get first responders on scene to help the overdose victim.
Well, Allison, when will the devices be in deputies' cruisers?
John, Sheriff Knight says they're expected to be in the deputies' cruisers within about a month's time.
All right, thank you. Appreciate the report, Allison.